Yeah, people, we reach Questelles beach. We late. So we just meet people. We done the down there thing already. Okay. Seems like got different vehicle vibes in and yeah. So much people on beach and everywhere. Seems like a different party very going on. Good day everybody, good day. Yes sir. Come on. Yeah, brother, I expect.
I'm like a schoolgirl too.
You just like a schoolgirl. You good? Put it down. Yeah, you bring something else? Oh shit. We can invade people pot. We can invade people pot. Yeah, respect. Bless it. Oh. Oh, go on, brother.
Yeah, go on.
Nobody do vex. I just post video on YouTube. You want it? Then I'm going to see until about next 2 months, so it's alright. Respect, brother. What's on? What's going on here, so?
Nothing, brother.
Turkey and chicken?
Yeah.
And Rasta man, you're working on so.
Rastafari Rasta. Yeah. That's what I do.
And you're too bad.
Yeah, man. Man, look at no man.
Man, they're wrong here. A C40 pot. Like this has been the first pot or this is the second pot?
Huh? The first pot, man.
Yeah, people, the Questelles beach. Like a lot of people on the beach. You man sell stuff this one. Basically we're on the beach, chilling, okay? We're just chilling today, we're not doing any cooking, we're just chilling. With our vibes, okay? Yeah. You are double the party, man. We are set up.
Don't know.
Girl, diamond. Eh. Want me dog it, me crackhead Fred. Yeah. Shout out to Mrs. and Mr. Robert Rogers.
Come on, man. Come
Yeah.
on, come on. Shout
All
it
in
out.
love, yeah.
Give me tuck it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on back.
Next Rasta, yes, sir. Blessings.
Who the rest of you?
You want him? Pan of the crab. We see now. Everything. With the pan the beach side. One love. No bother run. Me catch you all in the mood I catch you. Yeah. Big up yourself.
You don't know.
Right now, you see on the grill. All of that, they so. Abaya, see now, big up. Rashdo.
Rastafari,
Yeah.
Kings and the Lords of Last.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You know, chef there.
Yeah. Adam I say too. One love, three people them. Everybody come together and do something. The sexiness are going in place. What eh? My girl from head to toe. Oh, Bumbo Cloud, watch out. Hey! Yeah. Big up yourself. Yeah, big up your food. Oh God, that's a glass. Come on, man.
Sexy from head to toe. Wait, let me see you now. Sexy from head to toe. Show me your best pose, baby. Yeah, I like that.
Now this is a YouTube thing, yeah, don't you?
On YouTube.
Yeah. Big up yourself, no man. Will you big up your glass?
Yeah, I make glass right now.
Yeah. Number one puppet master. My friend. Big up my friend. And you turn it back. Yeah. Turn up yourself now. Back up. And I'm saying, big up yourself, no man.
Puppet master.
Bumbo class.
I'm a video.
Man, you don't video take me.
Wait.
What? All loud in anything.
Wait.
Big up yourself.
I'm not from here, Fred.
Oi! Yes. My loving sister. Oh God. Sexiness all over. Wow, but you have to talk in the belly, the boy. Jesus Christ.
I don't know.
I don't want to. Go. Cause you didn't have to cuss it. Wait, babe.
Wine.
So make I do me so. Don't vex. Smile all the way. Barful. Boy, them a bad no friend boy. Rum little, rum done empty. All them liquor, boy. Them man crazy. Craziness is big in the place. Niceness. Ooh,
Really bad camera woman.
look at watching the. Show me a lot of now. Oh God, what a hey! That message to that my girl.
This way is something to do, you know.
Let me see your girl. You go make it?
She okay, I'm going to eat waterfall hunt and then I'll just do for us gone.
Straight weed me and smoke no cigarette nah, no Congo nah, bun boy ya. Me no want no local blend me. I tell you, my friend me only smoke marijuana. None of them like smoke, but me love ganja. Me just sing now if you know. Me hear music. Yeah, me hear music. Bad artist man, we don't really follow up music so. Chawa! Hey man, get off tube. We go see mermaid. Go and visit the mermaid. Go and visit the mermaid. Just in case. People there so. Other people. Oh Lord,
And if you tell me what you didn't get you. No say the signature. Get this ice cream one down there, yeah? Yeah, down the bottom. Yeah. Where you never do, boy? You're not a chef.